This looks great. My friends at my house couldn't believe it. This lamp is made of a drain. Let's see if I can finish it in a minute. Do you have a water pipe in your house? Washed and cut to a suitable length. Smooth writing machine cut with file or sandpaper. Choose a color. Give him clothes. In this hot summer, I choose give it cool silver. Ha ha, and from there, it's no longer an abandoned water pipe. This iron bar was missing when I made the tea table. I'm going to use it as a lamp body. Of course, I painted it cool silver. Don't think this is trash. It's all my stuff. Now I'm going to pick up a piece of wood as a lampstand. Cut it into a circle. Like this is the checkbook. Look at the drainage pipe after painting the color. I have a feeling it's more expensive. It can be assembled when it dries. I spent $5 to buy this. Just need to align the screw hole. Just slowly tighten the screws. With this accessory, it will be much faster. This is the light I prepared. Tear back glue raw paste along the square tube is possible. It's installed because you have to punch holes in square tubes. You have to use all your power to pierce through the hard iron pipe. This step seems simple. It's actually not that difficult. Finally, this base. It's not a big deal. I'll spray paint it in a minute. After 2 days finally finished. I can't wait to see Raw SAO's city.